Hello everyone, welcome back to the Backend development course using Java. My name is Pawan and today I'm going to explain you string class in Java along with the string pool. So let's start the video. So basically string is a very important class provided by the Java. It is used to represent the sequence of character. So there are two ways to defining it. Either we can use the string literals or we can use the new keyword. Now string is an immutable class. Now what do you mean by immutable? So once we created any string, we cannot change it or we cannot modify it. That's why string is an immutable class. So we can assign a value to string by using string literals or using new keyword. So we have learned about the string literals in the last video. Now the value of string is stored in the string pool. This is also known as string constant pool. Now let's understand what is the string pool. Now what is the string pool? String pool is nothing but a part of the memory in the Java heap memory where we are storing the string. Now the string will be stored in the string pool only if it is created by using the string literals. If we are creating a string by using the new keyword, then it will be stored in the heap outside the string pool. So suppose there are two strings, one is str1 and str2. One I have created by using string literals, second I have created by using the new keyword. It means that the string 1 and string 2 will be having a same value, but it is not equal. So basically there is one function we are having. If we call that on the string 2, it will point to the string pool memory. Okay, so that is the intern function. Let's take a scenario and let's understand this concept. Now here I have defined some string as str1, str2, str3 and str4. All of them will have the same value, that is a test string. But here string 1 is created by using string literals. So this test string was stored in the string pool. Now let's see this one by one. So here string str1 is created by using the string literals. So this string is stored in your string pool. Now when I'm going to create the string 2 with the same string, test string, it will first check if this value is there in the string pool or not. If it is there, then it will point to the same memory location. Now when I'm creating a string by using the new keyword, then it will create an object inside your heap memory with test string. Now this str3 is having the value which is also there in the string pool. So if I'll call a intern function, then it will point this object to the string pool. It will check if the value is there or not. If it is there, then it will assign this to your string. So this is overall concept of your string and string pool. Let's do some programming on this to understand this in deeply. Now let's create one package. We can give name as Java programs. Now let's create one class string and string pool. Okay, so inside this class, what we are going to learn first. First thing, I have to create a string. Okay, so in how many ways we can create string? Let's start with that. So I'll write a main method here. Now let's create one string. String str1 equals to, let's create by using string literals test string. Okay, so this class string class is used to define a sequence of character. Now I can print this also. Let's do this and I can print the str1. Let's run the program and here you can see the test string. Now let me create some another string str2 equals to. Now I will give the same value as of the above string. Fine. Now let's check if the string 1 and string 2 is same or not. So what I will do, I'll just check str1 equals to str2. If it is, then it will print yes, it is same. So I'll just print a message, str1 is equal to str2. Fine, I'll save this. Let's run it. So here str1 is equals to str2 because your str1 has the same value as the str2 and both str1 and str2 pointing to the same memory location in the string pool. Now let's have a string 3 and we will going to create the same string but by using the new keyword. So here the value is test string. Now let's check if all the strings are same or not. So I'll again use the same block. Now let's compare string 1 with string 3. So let's try running this program. So you will not get here the str1 is equals to str3 because here str1 is in the string pool while str3 is there in the heap outside the string pool. Now what else we have? We have the intern function. So let's apply this as intern. So let's check the output with the intern function. Save it and run it. Now let's run this program to check the output. So here you can see the string 1 is equals to 2 and 1 equals to 3 because of this intern function. Now one most important concept regarding string is immutability. Now let's check if I can modify this string 1 or I can create some other string. So what we can do here, let's create one more string here, string str4 equals to, and I can say immutable. So this is my string. Now what I will do, I'll just print this as it is. So it is str4. Save it and run it. So this is immutable. Now what I will do, I will modify this string. How I will modify? I'll just apply some string functions. We have some inbuilt function for the string like char at, chars, code point at. There are so many functions like compare to. Now here what I will do to modify the string, I'll just make it to the uppercase. So there is one function here to uppercase. I'll just apply this function. Okay, and I'll save this. Now what this function used to do, it will convert the string, complete string to the uppercase. Let's check the output. See, there is no difference in the existing string and the modified string. It is same because string is immutable. Now if I want to make this to uppercase, what I will do, I can just use some other string as string str5 equals to the same function I'll apply here and store these things in the new string. I'll print the string 5 and I'll say the str5. Save it, run it. So here it is in uppercase. So I hope you understood these concepts. First thing is string is immutable. As the string is immutable, you cannot apply any functions to change it because the value of string will not going to change. If we have to do any operation, then you will have to save that string to some other string so that you will be able to get the new modified string. The next thing is we can create a string by either by using string literals or by using new keyword. Now when you are creating a string with the string literal, then it will store the string into the string pool and not into the heap. But if we are creating a string by using new keyword, then it will store your string in the heap memory outside the string pool. So this is very important concepts. Again, one more important thing is when you are creating the string with the same value, then it will not create a new string, it will just point your new string to the existing one if it is present in the string pool. Then again there is one function as an intern function. Then intern function, what it will do, it will point your object to the string pool if the value is present in the string pool. I hope you guys understood all this concept.